Hi, glad you stopped by. Well, this topic is about keyboard issues. Yes, my keyboard issues. And this is my little buddy. So, what happened was, I had gotten this computer on eBay at a good price for what it offered. And the reason I got it is because right now I'm fixing up a desk over there at my table to do recordings. Uh, because to record where I'm sitting right now, I have to bring a chair up, put my camera on it, or else it's too far away. Because, okay, I got two TVs. I got one for entertainment purposes and one for reading, shopping, and, just doing other stuff. So when I got my one over here, I've either got YouTube playing or a movie or TV show, something. And then on the other one, I'm busy doing other stuff. I'm a multitasker. Okay, so anyway, I'm in the process. I'm still waiting on equipment, stuff I need to get set up over at the table. But anyway, this computer I got, something went wrong and the keyboard quit working. And I could not do anything with it. I had to use an on-screen keyboard that that you type. I don't know if you ever used the on-screen keyboard, but there is one with Windows that you can use. This is a Windows 11 computer that I had gotten, and I'm still learning, the software of it. I'm still learning how to edit, and I'm doing all this stuff, and plus working on two other computers, and so anyway, I watched a whole bunch of videos on how to fix keyboard not working on Windows 11, and I tried everything. I tried all of them, and nothing worked for me. And then I even did a recovery reset. That didn't work. Nothing was working. I was communicating with the seller I bought it from, and I was hoping just for. I couldn't send it back because I'd already thrown away the box that came in and the packaging and all that stuff. So I wanted to keep it though, but I was hoping to get at least a partial refund so I could, you know, uh, because I wasn't going to be able to use what I bought it for. And but anyway, I'm persistent. I'm a Taurus. I kept working on it and working on it and working on it, and finally it came to me, to try a couple of more things. And but I had unplugged the SSD drive on it and took it out, put in a spare one I had, and I had installed uh, Linux Mint on it. I thought, well, if nothing else, I can at least use that on it. And so then I decided, well, I'm not going to give up. So I took that drive out, put in another back in the Windows 11 drive, and keyboard still wasn't working. Um, so I checked to see if I had, maybe put a app on there that caused it, and I hadn't done that. And so then I went into the settings. Well, I'll show you in the video what I did, how I fixed it. But I did fix it. It's now working, and that's what I'm recording on right now. And What a relief. I was so happy. Um, you know, I was like, getting so frantic. Um, because I can't stand when I can't get something to work that I know I should be able to get it to work. I mean, I've taken a computer apart and put a new motherboard in it and then put it all back together and had a great running computer. I mean, upgraded it and everything. And I'm better doing that, dealing with the hardware, you know, putting together, taking it apart. I'm good at that. But the software end, if I'm not familiar with it, if I haven't used it for a while, I get lost. I mean, it gets really aggravating when I can't do what I want to do. So, anyway, uh, I don't want to make this section too long, but this is what the video is about, is how I fixed the keyboard. Now, I recorded the screen, what I did on my phone, which didn't turn out real good. But hopefully you can tell enough of it by, you know, what to do if you run into this problem. And because there was no reason for the keyboard, because it was working at first. But I did do a Dell Assist program and had them to scan my computer and optimize and see if I needed anything, since it was a new computer and I didn't know if something needed tweaking. And they had four four updates. So it could have been one of those that caused the setting to get out of whack for some reason. And because I didn't do it. I mean, I didn't mess with the setting and change it to make the keyboard not work anymore. I mean, it just did it on its own. I mean, so anyway, I don't want to make this too awful long. I may make another video about, something else related to, you know, the adventure. But I just basically wanted to show what the fix is, how to fix it. Okay, I guess I'll use the editor and hook these two videos together, I hope. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not. I mean, I hope so. I'm going to try it anyway. See you in a bit. Right there. See where it says language United States? There was nothing there. That wasn't there. And that was why my keyboard was not working. And then when I added language, when I clicked on this, and then that drop down showed English United States, because there wasn't nothing there. And then I clicked on English United States, and the keyboard started working. After everything I tried, and I didn't have to do anything else. That fixed it. That is all it took. That's what was wrong. And I worked on this for days. So anyway, but now yesterday when I got it fixed, that had, let's see, when I was over in here,
It didn't have this. It said advanced keyboard settings, and so that's how I found that the language thing was the problem. So anyway, it about drove me crazy. I mean, it was. I thought this whole operating system thing was going to be trashed. But I got it going again, and now it's working great. You know, and the seller I bought it from is happy I got it fixed. So that's all I had to do. Go over here and make sure you got English United States in there. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe and like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.